Welcome to my channel Fat Dandelions. My name is Lee, and today we're gonna make another Viewmaster disc. So I have here in front of me all the things that I need. I use this time not a white or cream colored paper. I use printed paper. Again, my circle cutter because I can't find my small circle cutter. So this only cut the bigger circles. I have a puncher, a butterfly, scissors, glue, and origami colored paper. And of course, I forgot to tell you the first time that I made the pay-per-view, Viewmaster disc to include the cutting mat. So there you go. Yeah. So for this one colored paper, I used squared printed paper, and for this particular print paper I use this one. Push everything a little bit forward because I need some space. And lately I've seen all the Encanto, and I thought of this, so let's put it, yes, on my mixer stand. Oops. So I'm gonna show you all the things that I think I need for this window shaped alternative, because we all know how the disc look like from a Viewmaster. So it's simply a two white paper and then the black windows with in there's how do you say, illustrations or pictures. So I'm gonna grab the tile stickers to use that as alternative. So let's see what we can use for this. Let's do a musical theme. Yeah, that would be very nice. And I don't know how much I will use to make like in a circle. So I'm gonna put the illustrations flip side because I need to count how many windows I need to put on the whole circle. So that's why I want to look like how to measure it. So I'm going to use all the things I need to make the go around. Oops. Let's see. Right. And it doesn't matter which illustration goes on which spot, because I only need to see how much space I need to have between each illustration, so it's not like it's really definite spot. So just see like how many I can fit in all in there. So that's why I need to see also which illustrations I'm gonna need. Let's see. I need another one. Wait. Oh no, my hand's already full. Wait, better. And if I'm not happy, then I can take it all away. So this is just to see how much I can fit in all here. Let's see. So now I'm looking at, I have hesitation, like I see a lot of music instrumental and a lot of flowers, and I see the animals in here, and I'm like, shall I do it like separate themes, or just, you know, all different ones. So this is just to put as many as I can. It's not very realistic, because if I need to do it realistic, I need to do it like this. For example, so where the spot is from one illustration to the other side, it needs to be the same illustration, because if you do the Viewmaster and you pull on the lever, then it will shake the disc and your eyes focus on that picture. So that is what I'm trying to say. The left eye and the right eye needs to meet the same picture. That means that it is saying like I need two same pictures on left side and right side. But I'm using now different kinds just for illustration purpose. But if you do it correctly, you have to find two of the same illustrations. But if you want to, like I said, do it correctly, do it just each on other side, like the same picture. So that means double the illustration. But like I said, I'm doing different ones. So I'm gonna see. So now I can see it fits all in. So let's see, 4, 8. So I have 13 illustrations here. So now I'm gonna fill all in. I don't want to put it on that spot, so I'm gonna change the spots. Oops. Like that, and I press, so it will not be interchangeable anymore once I've pressed on it. Let's see. And some pictures are like that. You can do it facing the other side if you like. So let's see. Oh, it's also purple. Wait, that's not. I can't do purple on the same spot. So let's change it a little bit. Let's see. Oh wait, I've done two flowers next to each other. I have to change that too. Let's see if I can change with another one. Oh, luckily I can lift it up. No, wait. Like that. So now I finished one. Let's see. I'm looking for something. So bear with me. So I have this tool. So when I'm content with the pictures on the paper, the printed paper, the circle print paper, then I press everything down so I cannot lift it out anymore, and then try to meet the center of that space, and then push a hole in there. I'm gonna go all in, and then I have a hole. I think if I'm not content, I can make and wiggle like that, and then wiggle it around to make the hole bigger, because I know for sure if I find let's see, a puncher, my puncher will not reach for exactly if this is a hole punch the hole in, for example, it can't reach that far, as you can see. So let's see if I have another one. So for example, I have this one, but as you can see, it doesn't go that far. You see, it doesn't meet on that spot. So this is just also not a good thing. Let's see, to use that. If I wait, can I use the ballpoint just to make it a little bit bigger? Oh yeah, there it is. I make it a little bit bigger. Ta-da! See? So now I have a hole. This one is already done. So now I can make like a whole conceptual one, like only flowers. So let's do only flowers then. See, so I need to like I saw this one that has 13 pictures. So if I don't do it like too close to each other, with a little bit more space, maybe I can do 12. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I have, yeah, more plenty. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's do that. Because when I saw the movie Encanto, well, I didn't see the complete movie. I saw the partial ones on YouTube. I see that the film has a lot of details, like a lot of furniture, a lot of different kind of plants, a lot of different kind of flowers, so different kinds of animals, and even the house has different kinds of very detailed prints. And I mean the plates, the doors, the house itself, the illustrations, the clothing details. So you can use actually a lot of things for that. But this time I'm gonna do like all flowery ones. So I'm gonna take all the flowery pictures out like that, and then see if I can. Let's see. I don't want to do like I said that in one spot. So let's see. Oops. Oh, my fingers. I need also different kinds of colors. Oh, wait. I think I've moved the guitar. I should not move the guitar ones. Let's see. I think I have majority. Oops. Oh. And let's see. I think I need to see. I have not tiles with the blue background. Wait. What can I do? I have the only one. This one is the biggest one. I don't want to use that one. Wait. Can I? Yeah, I think it's all I can put in here. So I'm just putting loosely, so not, I can always change it. I think I have too much, so I'm gonna put it back. Let's see. Don't know where to fit that one. Well, it doesn't matter. Just put it somewhere. Okay, so now I just want to do the principle like, okay, it's not the same picture, but I still want to have one on the opposite side on the first mentioned. So now I'm gonna do like this. Like I said, it's not the same color, but let's try to do it that way. So I'm not pinning it down. I'm just placing them. Wait, that's not correct. Like that. Oh, I need a pink one. Wait. So that one I need to put it back. Let's see if I have a pink background. Oh, I don't have a pink background. Let's see. Yeah, it's the light pink one. Oops. That's a dilemma. Oops. You know what? I'm gonna... Okay, this is not a flower, but I really don't have one in light pink. Oh. Let's see. I'm looking, I checked on the other one. No, I don't have one. So I'm gonna, because I have background light pink, this one, and this one. So I wanted to do like flowery one. But, okay. So let's see. Am I content? Yeah, I think I'm content. So now I'm gonna push everything down and make the center hole. Let's see. Like that. And wiggle it to make the hole a little bit bigger. Like that. And that's the hole, as you can see. So this one is very thin paper. This is, I think, 80 GSM. This one must be 100 or 120 GSM. So now you have different kinds of Encanto themed one. This is the flower one. Okay, this one is a little bit out of, because I don't have like the light pink one. But still, it's a bit, it's like a matching background, even though it's different kind of flowers. So let's see, shall we do another one? Let's do another one. I'm gonna use, oh, that's very, very harsh colors. Let's see if we can. I need a little bit more space because I'm going a bit around. I'm just testing if I can go around. Oops. I think I need to move a little bit forward. I'm still testing, I'm not pressing on it. Testing if I have the right think I have it. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. So now I'm gonna press real hard, and then with the knife is here underneath that button, so I need to. So the big circle, the center circle, I need to press hard, and this hand, I need to press hard too, because if I don't press hard, it will be like this. You see, it's not cut well, so that's why we needed the scissors in case I did not press hard, and it will go completely fully round. So now I've cut it. So I'm going to use the same towel stickers again, but now more Colombian themed. So I'm going to use as much as I can. Very musical, but also I'm going to use the animals. So let's grab the animals. Oh, wait. And some cactus. And this time I don't want to think about do it like the discipline, like do this same colored one on the left and on the right side, but more like I'm gonna place whatever I want to. So that means 13 pictures around there. So I'm gonna use different kinds of them, and food wise I use a lot of different kinds. Wait. And some flowers. Wait. Flowers, other colors of course. And the sun. Okay, I think I've got it. Oh wait, there's also a tree. I saw a tree here. Don't forget the tree. Oh, all my towels are falling. Wait. Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna circle around. I need the white ones. Wait, white background. Oh yeah, the guitar. I forgot that I have a guitar. So how many did I put in here? I don't know. I just grabbed as much as I could. So I have 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pictures. Okay, if I have 14 pictures, it's quite a lot. So let's do, where's my tool? So I can punch a hole in here. Let's see. Like that. And then wiggle around. If I'm not content with the hole, I'm just gonna grab my ballpoint. And because this part, center part, is quite thick, so in roundness, then I just push it a lot. Like so, until it can't go anymore. As you can see, that's where it ends. And then I have a perfect hole. And I'm going to grab a colored piece of paper so you can see the difference. So you can see here it's still like fanning it out. But that's okay. That's okay. If you want to do it like better, just fan it out and with the scissors carefully take all the excess paper out. So then you got like this. So I have like 3 kinds of Encanto themed. So I've mentioned the 2 items that I did not use in this video, and that's the colored papers and the puncher. So I can do it like this. Add the bird if you want, or only the butterfly. And what I'm trying to do, I don't want to do as much paper to punch out the butterflies. So, and because I can't see this milky piece of plastic, I want to punch as many as I can on one row. So let's see. That's 1. That's 2. So I have here all the butterflies. Of course, I've done it 2 at the same time, so you need a little bit, like wiggle a little bit, so it can be like separated. But I said I just did only 2 colors, so I'm gonna do more. And punch more of these butterflies. Like that. So I have all now in total like 4 colors. And I have an orange one and a yellow one. You can do all kinds of colors. It doesn't need to be this one. It's just I'm using these colors. Like that. So now I have 6 colors. And like I said, you can add the bird if you want. And with the glue, you can just place them in the center. Like that, a little bit. But don't forget, don't glue a piece of butterfly in the center where the hole is. So you can do it like this. Just place them in different kinds of spots. And if I'm content with that, I'm gonna glue them all up. So you're gonna do it like that. But you can also do it like this if you want to just do it like a little bit, like so. you want. Do it like in between two illustrations. So whatever you fancy, whatever you like. So. Let's see. I don't have enough orange and a red. Wait, I think. Oopsie. Oh. You have to be careful, they're kind of sensitive, very thin and frail. So you can do it like this. Let's see, a little feel. So I hope you enjoyed this colorful Encanto themed paper Master disc. So I hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.